Guys, welcome to Tech Life. Today I'm going to discuss about the Cognizant off-campus fresher hiring for 2025 engineering graduates for GenC, GenC Next, and GenC Pro. The locations are Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Kochi, Bhubaneswar, Indore. It's a full-time employment opportunity. Application deadline is June 15th, 2025, 11:59 p.m. Do apply fast as you can, and the CTC is 4 lakh to 6.75 per annum. You can see salary ranging from 4 LPA to 6.7 LPA. This is the job description for GenC. Develop and maintain, test, debug, deploy code, agile application, low level coding, identify and prioritize tasks to meet deadlines. Take ownership to deliver goals specified in a timely and efficient manner. Eligibility criteria is 2025 batch of BE, BTech, ME, MTech are eligible to apply. Streams such as leather technology, food technology, fashion technology are excluded, means these cannot apply. Minimum 60% in 10th, 12th diploma, UG, PG. UG for UG and PG, 59.9% is not allowed. You should be rounding off. At the time of joining, all recruits need to have minimum 60% aggregate in the pursuing degree with no backlogs. Here they clearly mentioned with no standing errors. Students with standing areas are not eligible. Flexibility to work from cognizant office location in a given shift timing and technology is mandatory. You can see mandatory documents for registration or resume attached with latest